really messed up, you know what I mean? It's just getting up out of the water. Jazz.
What it do? What it do? That trade position get you right about now, boy. Let me have a month to go.
Month? I call it a trip.
Oh, you got one more trip?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a trip. I ain't gonna come back to maybe about the 1st of February. I'll make a trip.
On the trade?
No, I don't think I want to trade. I might even do a safety day. I don't know.
Pull on up here beside us and watch these southern fight.
Ain't that something?
Yeah, 211 still down in book. So that's why I went back on the 84.
Oh, okay.
Plus I wanted to cut that stuff shit.
Oh, okay.
That's L58010 over. Did y'all get lost there over? They just jumped to 94. Up to the dispatcher channel at EC10. Yes, that's what I was trying to tell you a while ago. They come over 94 to EC14.
Works for me. 23rd Street, Approach Street, Main Street, southbound, 1 Main. 213, 16, man, let's see what you're talking about.
Now you got a drink or you just like five roll? Alright, there's a crossing here at Industrial Boulevard, 96.7. The southern dispatcher is telling me that the crossing is broke and the gates are laying across the rail. I'm gonna come down here and look at it. Think of the EC1 number, 92350.
That's up in Dalton, so somebody got to go to work with it.
92350. Today's 11014, they're up in 890.0. These L58010 into 7849, be Carroll Company, line 68.
Well, I'm going to go back on it.
68, you have an activation failure.
Everything's falling apart.
Q675, what had you open? All right. Yeah, ready to head out. Got to fix it. All right, y'all have a good one. I appreciate it.
they use this like when you're going through a 15, you ain't gotta worry about if you're going over, if you're going under.
Right.
Man, he'll take care of that part.
I want to put these new signals in place. I'm going to talk to these computers with optimize. That's what I think. Might be wrong.
But all that stuff gonna work together. The optimize, the PTC, the signals, and everything. So everything that's going on gonna be having up in real time.
So that way, and then it's gonna change from you having to go to manual mode when you're on an approach.
Got one there, Mr. Martin, Mr. Barnett. Y'all have a good trip.
I appreciate that, Dixon. You and Black, y'all have a safe one too.
Well, thank you. It's hard to get hurt sitting right here, listening to the rail.
I know that's right. Y'all still be careful. Medium clear, east end, southbound. Number 1 to single lane. Q133 on CS16, 5105.
Yeah, y'all make that money.